So I have been following you since like a lot of years. So I'm a student,
Yeah, yeah,
and
of course.
so I resonate with your story. So you are a electrical engineer. I'm a chemical engineer.
Yeah, no. Sorry, I think there's a delay. Yeah, dude, I know. I've seen a lot of your content. It's been cool because a lot of the videos that you create, you're documenting the journey to be financially free. So, guys, if you don't know, this is Caesar. I've been watching him because he's very consistent, and he's also an engineer like me. And what's cool is if you look at his content, it's really cool because he's taking you through his journey. He's like, this is day 85 of becoming financially free. This is day 90, day 100, whatever it is. So it's just cool to watch it because people are watching you through this journey, and it's going to be cool when you do hit that financial freedom. You're going to have that whole thing documented, right? So cool, man. So you're a chemical engineer, right? Is that what you said?
Yeah, I'm a chemical engineer, and so I just want to hop in and like tell people that it's important to take action. So I don't know if you remember, but I was one of the first, well, in the first group when you launched the first Freedom Accelerator high ticket product, right?
Wow.
And I made my first commission. I think it was like in 3 months or four months. But
Mm,
basically, the thing here is like keep pushing every single day. I watch your videos, your first YouTube videos, like every single day, man. So those two videos for me, this gave me like an inspiration because you
yeah,
actually are like explaining us all the journey. So
dude.
I just want to like tell people if they don't feel if they don't feel like they like it's hard. So it's important like just go all in. Dude, I bought your high ticket course and I'm from El Salvador, Here I'm a Fund Freedom member and I'm doing the work and commissions. So not like huge results, but it's my own journey, right? I'm making commissions every single month, right?
Yeah. Yeah,
Mhm.
that's cool, man. Yeah, I think I see you, and I love students that actually will take action on everything that I say because like you're actually doing the YouTube and you're doing the Instagram reels and you're doing everything that I've shown you to do, and I love that. Actually, people are asking about your channel, man. Let me pull up your channel real quick. Um, uh, marketing. But yeah, man, I'm super proud of what you've done. Let me see if I can find it here. Let's see. What's the YouTube under?
Uh, Sesha, oh,
So let's see here. I know it's here somewhere. Yeah, I'll pull it up for you guys in just a second. I gotta find it here.
and
Uh, there we go.
a YouTube channel as well, in which
There we go.
I'm like, yeah,
Yeah, guys, so you can see he's actually doing the work with the YouTube, and he's he like he said he was one of my first students. Like it's just crazy that like he's actually done the work, right? It's so cool. You can see, I mean, over 1,000 subscribers. He's doing the thing, very consistent. Um, it's just awesome to see it, man. And I love how you kind of went all in with the YouTube, just like how I teach. It's awesome to see. So I love it, man.
yeah. So just want to encourage people like take action, right? Like Funded Freedom is awesome and Freedom Breakthrough is awesome, but you need to put in the work, right? You need to put in the work every single day. And, and I'm not an English speaker, and I'm going to use YouTube in English. So that means
Yeah,
that the works. So
yeah, man.
that is the real proof, right?
Yeah, absolutely, man. I know we kind of talked about making Freedom Breakthrough stand.
Yeah, yeah. Do you remember? So you sent me like a message to Facebook if we
Yeah,
made
man.
like something in Spanish for the well,
I know
that would
I've
be
had a lot of people.
awesome.
I've had a lot of people reach out about that, so I'm like, huh, we might have to revisit that. So yeah, man, reach out to me when you get a chance, and let's talk about that. Did you did you see all the trainings in the traffic challenge, or most of them?
Mostly because right now I'm like doing chemical engineer stuff, you know.
I know how
So
that is.
uh-huh, I'm doing. But one of the most important things I like a lot was the SEO training
Hmm. Yeah,
with
yeah.
Julie Miles, right?
Julie Mills. Yeah,
Julie Mills, right?
yeah,
Uh-huh. Dude,
yeah. No,
sorry, Mills. Uh-huh.
she was good, man. She's the one that created the anonymous affiliate. Did you see it in your Freedom Breakthrough 3.0 back office?
Yeah, I
Okay.
have that training. Super awesome.
Good, good. Yeah, I'm excited for that because I know a lot of people they don't want to create content. So it's like, well, shoot, I got to find a solution for them, right? So, um, and actually, man, something I haven't really announced yet, but I'll kind of announce it now. It's not 100%, but I'm like 95% sure we're gonna add a really really in depth Facebook ads course. The guy that does my ads, I I pay him 5,000 a month, and he's doing all my ads, and you know we're gonna he's gonna actually teach that course, and my goal is to add it in Freedom Breakthrough 3.0. So should be coming soon, man. We're excited for that. So as a student, we're always trying to upgrade the course and stuff like that, as you know. So
Mhm. Hey, and a big shout out to Ernest, Greg. So he's
so
a really cool buddy. So he's the trainer from your coaching code, right?
yes, Craig. Yeah.
Dude, it's super awesome, and I want to hop in to thanks like publicly to all the people that you have an awesome team, and
Thank
Craig
you, man.
is like helping. I'm so happy because he knows the stuff you are like struggling. Actually, showed you how to do the things.
Yeah, yeah, man. Craig, I have a amazing team. Craig, Brian, Andrew, Sam, Andre. We've been building an amazing team, man. It's helped me grow as a leader, right? Like I started as an affiliate, and I've had to learn these new skills, right? I got to build a team, how to become a leader, how to manage a team. So it's been a journey for me because I've had to learn these skills as an affiliate, but then as you grow, you grow as an entrepreneur, man. And that's the goal, right? Like I want to teach you guys kind of a lot of these things I'm teaching, with Freedom Breakthrough, but then what happens after, right? How do we build our own stuff? So yeah, man, I appreciate you coming in and talking about the team because they do so much. And, I know Craig does the coaching calls. Brian's started his coaching calls. We have Chris doing the Funnel Freedom Tech calls now. And it's been so fun, man. So, did you see that thing we're doing in Mexico, man?
Yeah, see, yeah. You went with Anix and God, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Would love for you to come hang out with us.
Dude, I watch all your stories, what you were eating and when you were in the hotel. Super cool.
Yeah, it was a fun time, man. Yeah, we're doing a co-event end of August. We're gonna be, basically building an SLO for the business. So yeah, man, check it out. If reach out to me if you're something you're interested in. But it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be good. I think something right up your alley. You've been doing this for a bit, and it's like, okay, it's kind of the next step, right? So let me know, man. Let me know if that's something you want to do. Cool, cool. All right, guys.
Okay, cool. So I don't. How can I think that you have another people who wants to access this call.
I'll probably cut it now. But looks like there's still people on. So hope you guys are enjoying this. And man, I appreciate you, man, coming on and just telling me those kind words, dude. So we'll talk soon. Yeah.
Thanks, buddy.
Yes, sir. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys soon. God bless.